Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to be bringing a video to you on COD since 2K is dead now, since there's no more speed boosting. But I hop on COD, and since I have a season pass, it says message something for black market. So I come in here, and I just see this as rewards: 1 bribe and 10. I guess, I don't know, rare or something or common, so we're just gonna open them. Dang, I got the hiccups. So we'll open this one first. Okay, we got 2. Oh my god, we just got the wrench. We just got the wrench, boy. That's sick. Okay, so now we're gonna get into these 10 packs. Ooh, no. Okay, legendary. Okay, that's good. Open another one. I really want to get a taunt that like does the whip or dab or like backflip. So let's get an epic. We got an ritual camo. That's nice. Reaper taunt. Battery taunt. Okay. So 6 more to go. Oh my god, we just got the butterfly knife. Let's go. 2 very rare thingies in one of this supply drop opening thing. 4 more to go. Nothing good out of that one. We got 2 commons and 1 rare. And we're gonna be able to open up some rare ones after this because we could burn our duplicates and we get crypto keys. And I already have the transgression on the M8, so. Nice. I think they patched the Vesper. 1 more to go. Okay. So we're gonna burn our duplicates. Okay. So now we have 89, and we're gonna open 3 more because it's gonna give us an additional crypto keys. Let's see what we're gonna get. Etching for the vampire. I have that. Nothing good out of that one really, except for variant of a thingy. Etching for the Vesper, nice. Burn duplicates, yeah. Okay, so we can open up 1 more. Oh my god, I have hiccups. Okay. So, that's gonna be for opening them. We got the wrench and the butterfly knife in just 11 thingies, and COD gave them to us for being a season pass holder. And we got a lot of awesome camos. I need the Vesper. Got good camos for this. Oh snap, we got the etching and the ice for the Vesper. So yeah, that's gonna be the video. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment on what you got if you're a season pass holder and you open these. And don't forget, leave a like and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.